What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Galaxy S21 FE 5G from Samsung. Now, this device was a little delayed coming out. As we know, this is the second coming to the S20 FE. Now, this comes in at 699 bucks. Now, this is the 6GB version, 128 gigabytes of storage. Now, you can get the 8GB RAM and 256GB storage from Samsung, but it's going to cost you a little more, and it doesn't come in all the fancy colors. Now, this comes in black, white, olive, and lavender. Now, this is the Phantom white one, which I'm really looking forward to checking out. Now, this comes with Android 12 out the box, Snapdragon 888, runs Android 12, Samsung UI 4 on top, all that good stuff, 120 refresh rate, dynamic AMOLED panel, which just means vibrant and bright. So it's got a lot of good stuff. It's got Victus glass on the front. It's got that Glastic back, as we all have been accustomed to with the Fan Edition, and IP68 for 4,500 milliamp battery, 21 watt wireless charge, wired charging, and 15 watt wireless charging. So you do get wireless charging. Now, no headphone jack on here. You get stereo speakers, you get the fingerprint reader. It's optical and it's not ultrasonic like the S21 from last year. So, and you get the 3 camera setup, but we'll talk about that more. Let's go ahead and box this up, or unbox it. Box it up. We ain't gonna box it up, we're gonna unbox it. Samsung's boxes have gotten smaller because obviously they are going what everybody else is doing, and that is the smaller, slimmer box, because it doesn't have a what do you call it, charger in the box. But you can pick up a 25 watt charger from Samsung. Now, this is the Phantom white, as you can see there, and this is a 6.4 inch display, so it's a little bigger than the S21. I believe that the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE was 6.5. So this is a little smaller, but bigger than the regular S21. So if you check that out, let's go ahead and rip off the plastic here so we can take a look at this. Now, this has the metal frames on the side, which I do like. And this white is pretty impressive. Looks like almost like a chalk white. Very nice. You got that triple camera setup there on the back, similar to the S21, where you have the 12 megapixel main lens, then you got the 12 megapixel ultra wide, and then you got an 8 megapixel telephoto. Okay, so it's not like it was from the S21, which had 64 megapixel telephoto. This is only 8 megapixel. And then on the front, obviously, you got the pinhole notch there. It's a 32 megapixel single lens there. So we're gonna go ahead and fire this up. I do like the way this looks, and reminds me, it's got some S6 vibes on here, if you ask me. But all right, so inside the box here, you only get the Type-C cable here, if you could check it out there. So you're gonna have to pick yourself up a nice charger from Samsung or somewhere else. They do offer the 25 watt charger here for wired, and also it has wireless charging, which is great for a device that is budget friendly, or has that budget conscious in mind here. Let me get it, put that back in there, and then I can put this back in here. But we're gonna go fire this bad boy up. I'm gonna switch over my information and we'll talk a little bit more about it. But this is the S21 FE in that Phantom white beauty. All right, so I have everything set up now. This is definitely giving me Galaxy S6 vibes. I mean, I love the metal frame on this bad boy. If I can get this focused for you, look at that, man. That is just nice with the white there. And if you see the white, I mean, that is just, you know, and you know that goes with the Auto, the Panda. So this is looking kind of cool. Stealth looking phone, man. I mean, this is legit. I'm looking forward to using these cameras. Obviously, Pixel is the benchmark when it comes to cameras, so we're definitely gonna check them out. Just checking out the vibe on the phone, man, it definitely has a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful display. I mean, this display is absolutely gorgeous. You're not gonna have any issues finding anything in the sunlight, but it's beautiful. Very beautiful looking display to look at. Also, it has this just beautiful 6.4 inch display, mostly bezel-less design. You got that pinhole there, but this is just a beautiful, beautiful design display. It's powered by that Snapdragon 888, as I was telling you in the opening of the video. So you're going to be able to ride or die here with your 6 gigabytes of RAM, 8 gigabytes if you buy the big boy, the 256. But this is definitely legit. Now, it has 120 hertz refresh rate, but you can only go either 120 or 60. It's not adaptive like on the S21. So you lose that, but it does have 240 hertz touch sampling and gaming mode, which if you game, then you game, you know what I mean? So, but it's got a lot of cool features. It's got the wireless charging, so if you come home and you got that wireless charging, you just boom, you come home, put it on your wireless charger and you're good to go. But if you don't, you got wired charging. Obviously it doesn't charge up as fast as like a OnePlus is 65 watts or something else that's kind of crazy out there by Xiaomi. Hey, for me, 25 watt, 18 watt, 15 watt is good enough for me, especially 15 watt wireless charging. I do like this damn display, and I like the feel in the hand of this phone. This is a really good size phone. I like how it's not small but not humongous like a S21 Ultra or iPhone 13 Pro Max, that kind of thing, or small like an iPhone 13 mini or like a Pixel 5. This is kind of like that 6.4. I think 6.4 is just the right size when it comes to smartphones. 4500 milliamp battery. You're going to be going all day long with this. Hopefully with this AMOLED display you'll be able to ride or die when it comes to it. Now, you do get the fingerprint reader. I haven't set it up on here. It's an optical, not ultrasonic, so keep that in mind. Also, there's no headphone jack, so you're gonna have to do Type-C or Bluetooth, which is not a big deal in my book. You get that matte finish, so there's no fingerprint. Don't have to worry about fingerprints. Isn't that a great thing? So, but listen, man, I'm gonna be checking out this phone. I'll let you know. I'm gonna have some more videos on it, maybe some pictures, maybe some other things. I'll give you my, my review of it after I use it for a little while. But I do like, this is a really nice design, man. Samsung did a great job with this design. This design is crazy, 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 crazy. I do like this metal frame here on the sides. You got the Glastic back, Victus, Gorilla Glass Victus on the front. So, but that's gonna do it, man. Leave a comment down below, hit that like button, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you have any questions. Now, I know you can get the Pixel 6 for $599, so is that the one to get? Hey, this is $100 more. For $100 more, should you get the S21? That's up to you. This basically has everything the S21 has, except for the adaptive 120 refresh rate and the 64 megapixel telephoto lens and maybe some other things here and there. But $599, $699, $799, it depends. And I'll leave a link down in the description. They're doing some good deals with trade-ins. As far as Samsung's always got some fire when it comes to trade-ins, including $100 credit, all kinds of good stuff. So I'll be doing some case reviews for this phone also, so make sure you keep it tuned and locked right here on Android Stud. Peace, party people.